Nike Air Max 95 Monochrome 2025 sneaker release. In anticipation of its historic 30th anniversary, the Nike Air Max 95 is getting a new monochromatic version as part of the festivities. This new version honors the OG with a minimalist twist, building on the excitement surrounding partnerships with Nike SB and the return of the iconic neon colorway in its original Big Bubble form. The new design is similar to the original neon version, but now has a bright white finish in place of the neon accents. A perfect addition to the Air Max 95's landmark year, this monochromatic style gives a crisp and contemporary interpretation while preserving the spirit of the original colorway. Although a specific release date has not yet been established, it is anticipated to occur in the spring or summer of 2025. SRP is $175 US.